Stop scrolling. You do not need a $500 Sephora haul to look like a summer goddess this year. I'm showing you exactly how to get that expensive glow up without spending a single penny. We're talking skin, body, and vibes. Let's dive in. First, we're depuffing. Skip the expensive rollers. Use an ice cube from your freezer. Glide it over your jawline and under eyes too. Instantly wake up your skin and tighten those pores. Follow it up with a 2-minute lymphatic drainage massage. This defines your cheekbones and gives you that natural lift for free. It's basically a non-surgical facelift. Summer glow starts from the inside. Swap the soda for spa water. Just add some lemon or cucumber slices to your bottle. It clears your skin and flushes out toxins. Also, fix your posture. Pull those shoulders back.
Wow.
Just standing tall instantly makes you look more confident and put together. It's the easiest glow-up hack in the book. For your hair, do a cold water rinse at the end of your shower to seal the cuticle and add crazy shine. And don't forget your beauty sleep. Change your pillowcase every 2 days to prevent breakouts. If you don't have a silk one, just wrap a clean cotton t-shirt over it. Your skin will thank you. That's it. Being the best version of yourself is a mindset, not a price tag. Comment glow below if you're starting your journey today. And don't forget to subscribe for more $0 beauty hacks. See you in the next one.